Hey guys, let's talk about the Kasa camera SD card slot. If you want to insert an SD card, you need to find the slot that is just right here on the bottom of the camera, okay? When I turn on the camera starts doing its tests, right? And then it turns on the horizontal and the vertical, basically the pan and tilt movement, and then it stops. After this, you just need to move the lens a little bit up so you can find the slot there, okay? You see it goes up and down. It stops. Then you just need to put the lens up just like so, and here is the slot for the SD card, right? So you need to insert an SD card here. I have one that's a 32 gigabyte SD card. Let me just get some focus here so see better. There we go, that's the one. And the camera supports up to 256 gigabyte, right? So you just need to insert the card here. So just put in this position and push it, and here click, and you're good to go, okay? And later you can use the app here to adjust the lens here, but basically you can put it back here, for example, and you're good to go. Let me just put in a different position here so you see what's down there, right? What's back there. And here I'm gonna use the app. I have here the Kasa app. I'm just bring the cell phone closer here so see better. And here I have the camera. I tap here on manage, and there we go. I have the camera there, right? And then just need to come here to the settings and look for the SD card. So I need to format it, right? So here you have, let me just look at it again. There we go, 24/7 recording, that's the one. And here you can just come and format your SD card. You just wait for it to finish. There we go, now I have the total available to record. And you're good to go, okay? So that's the way you can have your SD card on a camera, on a Kasa camera. The slot is just down there. Just need to put it up, insert the SD card, format it, and you're good to go. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.